I'm Headmistress Ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Today's assembly is conducted by class 3rd B students. Let us start the assembly with a prayer song.
There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be season refreshing, scent of the Savior above. Showers of blessing we need. Mercy drop round us falling, but for the showers we plead. But for the showers we plead. Next, the pledge. India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion in their well-being and prosperity along with my happiness. Jai Hind! Now let's listen to the word of the day. The word of the day is triumph, means victory. We spell it as triumphh. Next, the thought of the day. The thought of the day is victory comes only after many struggles and countless defeats. Victory comes only after many struggles and countless defeats. Hello friends, today class 3B students are here to present a special assembly on Dussehra. It signifies the victory of good over evil. Let us hear and see more about Dussehra through this video.
Dasara or Vijayadashmi is a marking of victory of Rama and avatar of Mahavishnu over the 10-headed demon King Ravana who abducted Rama's wife Sita Devi. Ram, Sita and Lakshman were exiled into a forest one day. One day, Sita saw a golden deer and asked Ram to catch it for her. The deer was a demon who tricked Ram and Lakshman into leaving Sita. When Ram and Lakshman left, Ravan, in the disguise of a saint, asked Sita for alms. He abducted her and took her to Lanka. Ram goes in the search of Sita with an army of Vanaras.
जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, राम भक्त हनुमान। बचपन में मैंने सूर्यदेव को फल समझ के खा लिया था। जब माता सीता की खोज में लड़का गया था, मैं पूर्ण मैं अपने श्री प्रभु श्री राम का परम भक्त हूँ। जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम।
मैं पहचाना मुझे? मैं हूँ जटायु। मैंने सीता माता को बचाने की बहुत कोशिश की, मगर रावण ने देखो क्या हाल किया मेरा।
राम, मैंने सीता जी को बचाने की बहुत कोशिश की, पर रावण ने मेरे पंख काटे और मैं घायल हो गया।
मैं हूँ लंकेश, मैं हूँ लंकापति रावण। लंकेश है हम, राम का इतना दुस्साहस, मुझे युद्ध के लिए ललकारे, सीता नहीं लौटाऊंगा।
रावण, तुम्हारा ये साहस एक गीदड़ होकर सुनने की कोशिश करते हो। तुम्हारा अब समय आ गया है। यदि प्राण प्यारे हो, अब समय है, चले जाओ यहाँ से। एक पतिव्रता सती की और ऐसी क्रोधित डालने की मूर्खता भी नहीं की होगी। इसका परिणाम जानते हो? तेरा ही नहीं, तेरा सारा कुल का सर्वनाश हो जाएगा।
हे पापी रावण, मैं तपस्वी राम केवल अपनी पत्नी के लिए नहीं लड़ रहा हूँ। अखिल विश्व में नारी सम्मान की सुरक्षा के लिए एक आदेश स्थापित करने हेतु एक धर्म युद्ध कर रहा हूँ। रावण, तेरा वध आवश्यक है, जिससे भविष्य में ऐसे कुचित कार्य और महापाप कोई शक्तिशाली राजा ना कर सके।
celebrated as the end of the 9 days fasting, while in some parts huge celebrations take place on this occasion.
Each Indian state celebrates the festival on its own way, but the race and ethnicity play an important part of the festival, no matter where it is being celebrated. Let us explore the states where this grand festival of Dussehra is celebrated in a beautiful way. Dussehra is regarded as the final day of Navratri and marks the end of Durga Puja. Vijayadashmi, Ramlila and Dussehra are some other names which are synonymous to Dussehra. However, the purpose and the objective remains the same, victory of good over evil.
Dussehra also marks the victory of goddess Durga over Mahishasur to protect the world from him. Really celebrate Dussehra as the defeat of Ravana by Lord Rama. Temples are decorated wonderfully on this eve, and Ramlila is one of the greatest appeals of the city. Watching Ramlila in Delhi is a beautiful experience. In Punjab, Dussehra is celebrated by setting fire to huge effigies of Demon, King Ravana, son Meghnad and brother Kumbhakarna, marking the triumph of good over. Even crackers are bursted at different places in the state as part of celebrations. Maharashtra. There are a number of traditions followed in the state of Maharashtra when it comes to Dussehra celebrations. The celebrations begin in the morning and continue until night. In the evening, people burn models of Ravana to honor the victory of Rama. This also marks the end of summer and beginning of winter. In Uttar Pradesh, Dussehra is celebrated by setting statue of Ravana, fired by Lord Rama. It depicts the victory of good over evil. At cities like Varanasi, Lucknow and Kanpur, Ramlila is performed on grand level at prime locations of the city. The festival holds great importance in the lives of every citizen of West Bengal. The entire state leads into a festive mode. Various theme-based pandal are created when amazing idols of goddess Durga are worshipped for 5 days. At the end of celebration, idols of goddess Durga are traditionally immersed into water. Dussehra in Kullu town of Himachal is one of the most popular events of Himachal Pradesh. Dussehra celebrations in Karnataka is of a different flavor from the rest of the country, especially in the royal city of Mysuru. Here, Dussehra is a celebration that lasts throughout Navratri, and it is actually the state festival of Karnataka. The 10-day festival actually ends on the day of Vijayadashmi. Tamil Nadu state celebrate the festival in an entirely different way. Almost each house of Tamil Nadu arranges the popular doll shows during Dussehra. They also offer coconut, bitter nut and money to each other. In Kerala, the final 3 days of Navaratri are set apart for the worship of Goddess Saraswati. On the Durga Shatami day, a ceremony is performed in the evening, where the books are kept for puja. On the Vijayadashmi day, after the prayers in the morning, the books are taken back from puja. This marks the beginning of learning and work.
In the colorful state of Gujarat, Ravan Dahan is a massive affair every year. The people celebrate Dussehra with religious rituals, street food and Ravan Dahan. The famous dance forms of Gujarat are Garba and Dandiya, which are performed during the festival.
and ideal life. Thank you all.
Wishing you all a happy Dashera.